Good afternoon, class. My name is Adenyika Okonkwo. I'm one of the students taking the Health Data Security and Compliance class. And I created this game titled Hipaa Security and Privacy Training for the medical surgical nurses on the Progressive Care Unit at United Medical Center. The purpose of this game, just like the name implies, is for training purposes. So because of that, the nurses can take the quiz as many times as they want. The most important thing is for them to get used to the Hipaa questions and answers, because there have been cases where JCO officials come to the unit, ask them some Hipaa security questions, and they are not able to answer. When they do that, they allow the JCO officials to cite the facility because the nurses are not properly trained. So this game has 20 questions, and I'm going to start by clicking on the first one. So the first question is, what is PHI? So in this question, when you click on the right answer, it will give you a thumbs up to let you know that that answer is right. When you click on the second one or any wrong answer, it will give an X. So in this case, the right answer is protected health information. And when you click on that, you get a thumbs up. And then you go to an icon that will allow you to continue the quiz. So we'll go ahead with taking the questions onto the last one. So the last one, which is the 20th question, is a true or false question. And the question is, copies of patient information may be disposed in any garbage can in the facility, true or false? The answer is false. Then when you click on false, it will give you a thumbs up. And then when you click continue quiz, then you get a congratulations message saying that you have completed the quiz. And then there's another link where you can retake the quiz. And like I said, you can retake it as many times as possible, or as many times as you want, to get used to the questions and answers. Thank you so much for taking this quiz with me. Have a nice day.